I've always been into cars. I like the mechanics of them.
I started going here because I've worked on cars like my whole life. I grew up working on my dad's old 71 Le Mans.
Personally, I like more how cars look and like just the art that you can do with it.
In its current form, auto body repair and automotive science and technology are combined in a space and the learning environment. Students get the best of both worlds.
We collaborate, we work side by side with the auto body students and kind of generate a family, if you will. All passionate about whether it's the refinishing of the car or whether it's the engine and the transmission and the brakes and the operating components.
So we're fond of saying that, we're not job training, we're using the car to learn, So following the passion, which for most students in our classes are the automobile.
A couple guiding principles. One is those that do the work do the learning, and this is hands-on, but it's not minds off. The Burlington Tech Center is a half-day center, and the benefits of that is you still have the ability to have your family, if you will, of your sending school, and then almost develop a whole new family here. This class is an introductory class, so we start out with the foundation, basic hand tools, basic operation of engines.
Probably my favorite thing is probably just doing brake work.
It's a lot more about just cars. You learn a lot about like actual life lessons and stuff like that. I've learned a lot more in here than I have those 7 years working on my dad's car.
This is a great space to get a basic learning. You can carry that forward instead of going right into an automotive job.
I came in here not thinking I'm going to necessarily use it as a career, kind of seeing it as more of a hobby. As I've gone through the years, I've developed just the thinking I could use this. It definitely is prepping me for what's coming after high school.
I could go right into like a $30 an hour job and work my way through the automotive industry. It gives you a lot more options right after high school.
I think a student who will do well in the automotive programs at BTC is curious, is interested in learning and willing to put some work in to learn new things.
There's a mantra that we have here: competence builds confidence. And so as a student starts to learn about the technologies in the vehicles and they start to apply the different test procedures and they're fixing these situations that arise on their family car, on their dirt bike, there is a sense of pride that they get from working.
To learn more about our application process and programs, visit Burlington Technical Center today at btc.bsdvt.org.